Hey guys, it's Miss Connell. Okay, so we're going to walk you through activity A for the mouse genetics lab. So I kind of have it side by side here so you can see exactly what questions I'm doing as I go. So for the first part, we are going to start right here in this box. It says click clear and turn on show genotype. Okay, so I'm setting up my gizmo. It says breed a black fur, black-eyed mouse with a white fur, red-eyed mouse. So you can kind of see what they look like over here. So black eyes, black fur, and white mouse, red eyes. There we go. And it says click breed several times. Breed, and then drag 2 offspring into the holding cages. You can pick any 2 offspring you like. Move the cursor over a mouse to see its genotype. Okay, so the first one asks what's the genotype of the black fur parent. So all you have to do, if you see I'm hovering over the mouse, you can see their genotypes pop up over here. So whatever mouse you're looking at for these questions is what you're doing, just like we did on the mouse traits 1 trait lab. So it asks you for the genotype of the black fur parent and the white fur parent, and then genotypes of the offspring. Make sure that you go through all the offspring and see what they are, okay? The second question asks you for probability. We talked about probability in class and how to calculate it. The gizmo has this fancy feature where if you click show statistics, it shows you the probability for you. You can also click show as approximate percent and switch back and forth as need be. Okay, so use that tool to answer question 2 about the probability of having a black fur and black-eyed mouse from that combination of parents. Then it says click clear, move your mice from the holding cages into the parent box. Okay, so now we're breeding the offspring. It asks me to predict first, what do I expect the offspring to look like? So there's no right or wrong answer here. You need to answer that question before you follow on to step or number 4. And then it says click breed and record the genotypes of the offspring on a separate sheet of paper. You can do that or just continue to repeat clicking breed until you see different genotypes. They're not all going to be the same. Ooh, see, I clicked breed again. Look what changed. So click breed, and then you can look at all the different combinations of genotypes that make up the mice that you see in the offspring. So you're going to record that for number 4. And then lastly, for number 5, it says click show statistics and click breed until there are 100. I've already bred 20, so I'm just going to keep clicking. Once you get to 100, you need to answer these questions A through D. It asks you how many offspring have black fur and black eyes. So you're just going to be able to read this chart right when it tells you you've reached 100 offspring. So make sure you breed the right number. Remember, we learned last time that's really important to get the most approximate probabilities. And then we'll move on to part B whenever you guys are ready.